Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room weekly results. I will start with gold. Here we had, after a reaction on higher settings, price started to move higher and higher, but then it decided to create double bottoms. That is, of course, on much more higher settings. You can see my vertical line at the beginning of the week. Of course, that was a late entry, but nevertheless, we had the room to create our win-win scenario with lower risk, of course, and with an APO like 100 pips, we went all the way to 450 pips. With our last position, first and second target, incremental profits on this area, you already know the drill. Of course, at this point, where my support area started to range, we were waiting for a conservative bounce. Some of you took it with a bounce entry as a reaction APO, like again 100 pips. Last position already running 420, and of course last position all the way up here. We have of course several positions running, and even from the end of February we stay in the trades as long as possible or as short as possible. It's your choice. Now on USD yen, here we saw price breaking our resistance area. We are already, of course, long from previous trades. For a previous trade with our last position counting almost 500 pips, but as a trend continuation, we saw price breaking our multiple tops resistance area, retracing a little bit at the beginning of the week, and why not with a nice M6 entry. You could have entered with an APO maybe even below the resistance area, that would be like 30 pips for 114.50 pips. More than 5 times our APO easily. Oh, I forgot in gold. In gold, in both cases, that was again like 4.5 times our APO going short and 4.5 times going long. Let me check what's the next one. GBP JPY. Okay, on GBP JPY we show, come on, there you go, price after a much more higher settings retracement. You can see here we said we can take a late entry. Why? Because even on higher settings we saw price moving and moving without any single retracement. Look at this, and we said this is the area we are going for, and of course we can take the trade with lower risk. And as soon as price retraced with an M12 again entry and 50 pips, we are in with our last position with 200 pips, going for 280 and even more. With these 3 trades, okay, for 2 on gold, 1 USD yen and 1 GBP JPY, only with this week, for these 4 pairs we had 1,200 plus pips, 17 times our APO, and still growing. Remember that. Never, never, never close your last position. Happy Easter to those who are celebrating. Have fun, charge your batteries, and Monday morning, as always, we will do our top-down approach. Stay safe, everybody.